I put me stick.
Right.
Just
Just sit down, please. We're about
sit down, Michael. I'll stand here.
Please sit down. Hello there, Adam. Very good morning to you.
Morning.
I'm joined by the Healy Raes, and they be from Kerry, Daddy and Michael. Daddy, don't stand there. Please use the chair right there. It has to be said.
You think you can dazzle us with chairs, is
Right.
it? If the Healy Raes have their way, we'll put all the chairs out in the skillings and the red cow roundabout along with it.
Right.
And Miriam, we'd put a cap on water charges as well.
I see. So you'd like to see them kept down, would you?
No, we'd put a cap on them like maybe one of Dad's old cap into the lakes of Callan with them all.
What do you say to people who accuse you of putting Kerry before the rest of the country?
We tell them go away with themselves. I can tell you, Miriam, I've been in every gala within a 5-mile radius in this campaign, and people aren't feeling a recovery. You get in there at 10 to 12 or 20 past 10, no matter what time it is at all. And what they're worried about is where they can park the tractor while they eat their hang sandwiches and drink their bottle of milk and apply for the grant.
But that's only down in that part of
This is real life, Miriam. You know, this is what the Dublin smart Alex don't appreciate. You think the world ends at the red cow, but I'm telling you, the real world only starts at the red cow. This isn't real life. This is just fantasy. I've been caught in a landslide. 'Tis true, the wheels of his Corolla got caught in a pothole outside Dinjo's in Castle Island. I only nipped in for a curry chip. Threw up a pile of gravel, it did. We had to get the whole road resurfaced. Oh, that cost a fortune. Give a plug there to the plant hire business there with Kerry County Council getting it plugged. Don't tell him that. Don't tell him that. No. Don't tell the smart Alex that. Oh,
Right, but now you're national representatives and you're charged with forming a government.
Another charge. This is what the people of Kerry are up against.
Right, but anyway, you've been absolutely everywhere, and I wish you'd have
We were even on the late with Brian Torber. Tis gas the way you don't feel yourself getting smaller, isn't it?
Sorry, smaller, right?
To fit inside the telly's like. What? It feels like you're still proper sized, Kerry sized, and you inside in the telly. Stop, you're after making a show of us now, Danny Lodgerman.
Okay.
And I have to tell you, 'tis magic.
Okay, well, there we have to leave it.
Our mother was from America, you know.
Right.
She's been upstairs and everything, Miriam. That's not her name at all.
No.
Thank you very much, Bibi.
Right.
Very much.
Right.